Hey, welcome Jay here, and I'm going to go over the accounting template bundle from smarthelping.com. So it's right at the top here, accounting bundle. Let's click on it. And these are spreadsheets I've made over the years to help people in accounting departments or spreadsheets that have, generally somebody with accounting knowledge would be doing using these spreadsheets. So I'll just go over some of the spreadsheets here. And remember, you can buy the whole bundle for $225, and that grants lifetime access and includes any templates that I ever add to this in the future. So I'll go through a couple of the main, most popular ones. You've got accounts receivable and payable tracker. This comes in a Google Sheet and Excel version. I suggest the Google Sheet version because of the filter formulas that it uses are nice. But generally, you can track invoices, how much has been paid on invoices, how much is outstanding, and it has aging receivable reports automated in it as well. You simply just enter the data in. Um, there's a database for the receivables, a database for the payables. Budget versus actual, payroll tracker, expense tracker, break even, cash conversion cycle. This is a good one for businesses that want to get their um, it's measured in days. So if you want to get your days down and how long it takes to turn cash, go from cash to inventory, sell the inventory, back to cash. So you can even have negative days as a metric here, but the lower the better, the higher the worse. Uh, Volume discount pricing, an accounting ratios tool to track. This more for like public companies if you want to just track different metrics. You can do that with that one. Job costing, a lot of inventory management. So Google Sheets inventory management here, inventory forecasting, restocking cash flow management. This is the most popular template I've ever built actually on the whole site. You can see I've sold 197 of these. Um, Cost of goods sold, FIFO based evaluation. So this is a really good handy tool if you've got historical sales or I mean purchases, and then you've got sales, the template will automatically pull from the most or the oldest sale, so first in, first out when things are sold, and it'll value the cost per unit accordingly, and like it does some really nice logic to figure out um, like it'll deplete certain tranches and it'll even go in between tranches to give you the actual cost of goods sold instead of having to manually do that calculation. So this is a really useful tool. Inventory management for a single location. This is just going to track inventory unit level and valuation. Multiple locations, it's going to give you the units and value of those units per SKU at multiple locations, mainly for warehousing. Daily inventory tracker. This is a good one to help you understand how inventory flows through a three-statement model, in, which is financial statement, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement. This also has some cool logic if you're doing partial payments, like 60% up front, 30% the next month or whatever. You can see how the logic affects payables, inventory levels, and all of that. I did put a lending business model in here. It was the first advanced three-statement model integration I did, so that's why I included it. A general three-statement model for any startup, they can plug in their numbers in the income statement, and it'll flow through. There's also some schedules for other things like CapEx and debt. Simplified inventory template, inventory reordering. This is a good one to organize your inventory if you've got thousands of SKUs and you want to keep track of what's likely to be reordered soon. Profit and loss tracker, depreciation expense tool, pretty self-explanatory, and to-do list tracker. This is actually a good one. I did an update on it where you can see a database style that shows you when the last time you did something was and how many times you've done it in the past. And so it's for recurring items that need to be completed in periodic times that you can define. So that's the whole bundle. That's everything you get for 225. I think there's a lot of value here for accountants just to help them be more efficient, and not have to do as many calculations. And inventory tracking is just always hard. So these are some templates to help, especially the inventory forecasting. That's a really good one. Alrighty, well that's all I got for you on this one. And to purchase the template, the link will be in the description box below. or as soon as you buy it, you'll gain access to the full folder, a zip folder that has all the templates in it, and no, again, lifetime access to anything I ever add to this. Alrighty, take it easy.